Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to insert page design in Microsoft Word. So get started. At first, open your Word document file. In this video, I will show that insert page design. Now going to the design menu option. Now for click. Then click on the page color option. Then initialize color. Now for click. Then click on the page border option. Now click on the art option. Now for click. Then initialize art option. Now for click. Then click for the widget option. Now click for the OK. That's it. Then I show insert page design in Microsoft Word is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.